Ever found yourself wondering if you could actually grow your money without needing a finance degree or spending hours glued to market charts? Maybe you've heard whispers about microinvesting, this cool way to put small amounts of money to work. Well, that brings us to the big question today. How much does Raiz actually cost you per month? It's a fair question, right? You're looking to invest, not get bogged down in hefty fees that eat away at your potential returns. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Raiz pricing structure. Raiz, for those unfamiliar, is a popular micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money, often by rounding up your everyday purchases. Think of it, you buy a coffee for $3.50, Raiz rounds it up to $4, and that spare 50 cents gets invested based on your chosen portfolio. It's like saving without really feeling it. Now, let's talk about the dollars and cents of using Raiz. Their fee structure is tiered, which means how much you pay depends on the size of your investment balance. This is pretty common in the investment world. For accounts with a balance under $12,500, Raiz typically charges a flat monthly fee. This fee can vary slightly depending on your specific plan and any promotions they might be running, but generally, you're looking at a few dollars each month. Think of it as a subscription fee for accessing their platform, their investment strategies, and the convenience of automated micro-investing. So, if you have, say, $500 invested, you might pay around $3.50 per month. If your balance grows to $5,000, the monthly fee might still be in that same ballpark. This flat fee structure can be quite appealing, especially when you're just starting out with smaller amounts. It offers a predictable cost, allowing you to easily factor it into your budget. Once your Raiz balance surpasses that $12,500 mark, the fee structure usually transitions to a percentage-based model. Instead of a fixed monthly amount, you'll typically pay a small percentage of your total investment balance per year. This percentage is generally quite competitive compared to traditional investment management fees. For example, you might see a fee of around 0.275% per year on balances over $12,500. To put that into perspective, if you had $20,000 invested, a 0.275% annual fee would work out to around $55 per year, or roughly $4.58 per month. As your investment grows further, the actual dollar amount you pay in fees will increase, but the percentage remains the same. It's also worth noting that Raiz sometimes offers different subscription tiers with varying features and potentially different fee structures. For instance, they might have a premium plan with access to more advanced features or personalized advice, which would likely come with a higher monthly cost. Make sure to check their current pricing page for the most up-to-date details on all their available plans. Beyond the core account fees, it's important to understand that there are typically no brokerage fees or transaction fees charged by Raiz when you buy or sell the underlying investments within your chosen portfolio. This is a significant advantage compared to some traditional brokerage accounts where you might incur fees for every trade you make. So, to circle back to our initial question, how much is Raiz per month? The answer is, it depends on your account balance. For smaller balances under $12,500, you're likely looking at a flat monthly fee of a few dollars. Once your balance exceeds that threshold, the fees typically transition to a small percentage of your total investment value per year. Ultimately, the cost of using Raiz is designed to be accessible, especially for those just starting their investment journey. The convenience of automated investing and the ability to start with small amounts can often outweigh the modest monthly fees, particularly as your investment grows over time. Remember to always review the specific fee structure outlined on the Raiz platform to understand the exact costs associated with your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.